back to update. Sorry for the horrible quality. For some reason, I just got a huge lightning strike and I completely missed it. I hope I get it one more time. I don't know what's wrong with my quality, right? Okay, there we go. My quality was bugging a little bit there. Got a huge light strike right there. I wish I got record. I hope I caught down footage. I hope I caught down footage. I'm gonna pass by these last forest trees and just stop and see what I can catch. Oh, I hope I got that. It happened way over there. I only have a quarter of a tank of gas left, but don't worry. I'm just gonna speed over there and get the last strikes. It's a good thing there's no cops in this area, but yeah, again, these clouds aren't that fast, so. Oh man. Oh, come on, give me something. Give me another lightning strike. Oh, please, if I could get one strike right here, this would be an awesome footage. I got a flash of light, but that's not good. Excuse me. All right, it's too dangerous being in this area. It's starting to rain right here, so I'm going near the storm. Hope you viewers can see raindrops, but that doesn't matter. All right, and I'm getting raindrops. Smells like acid rain. Okay, guys, I'm inside the area where acid rain is being dropped. It's still raining to this area. It's like a swamp area right now, so great using my windshield wipers for the first time. All right. It's too dangerous driving out here, guys. I wish I can go to open air fields, so. Yeah, it's too dangerous. I'm not attempting it, guys. This is a suicidal mission. If I was in open areas like I was, oh man, you viewers can hear the sound of thunder if you can, but yeah, I'm not taking the chance, guys. It's too dangerous being out in areas like these in trees. So I'm gonna go back. I'm going back. Like, guys, if this happened in open field like I was like 4 minutes ago, then I'm all right with it, but I'm not doing it, guys. Yep. There's no way. I'm not going back to that area. There's just no way. I caught lightning on camera. I hope I did, as long as it didn't go by that fast, but yeah. I'm really upset that I didn't have time. I accidentally stopped recording when I said I'll be right back. And then I accidentally pressed stop recording when I should have continued. And then suddenly a bolt of lightning hit right in front of my car, like 500 yards away. And well, maybe 1,000 yards away. I can't tell. But man, I'm so upset that I accidentally pressed the wrong button. And now I'm recording almost 6 minutes after that incident happened. So it stinks, but it's the way it is. Yeah.